So I'm back, and today I'm gonna be showing you you guys, my subscribers, and if you guys tune in, hi, I'm Kimberly. I'm gonna be showing you guys my nails, my fake nails or press-on nails, because I have a bunch of them and I want to show it to you guys. So let's get started with these beautiful nails. I'm so excited to show you guys. Okay, so the first ones are these Artsy French. These are pre-glued. I really didn't like these because they suck, to be honest with you. They're press-on nails. You just press them on. They look, you know, I don't know. I just don't like them. And I got them because I like the design of it. These like the zebra style. And I was like, oh my god, this will look so cute. But I didn't like them. So these are a big no-no. I got another one. These had like flowers, and I got two. And the other one of these ones, these I got two also. So that's a big no for me. These just don't look good. The other ones that I got are these Kiss. These are French, and these look like really natural, so I really like how this looks. They're like this, and these are very really short, so I really like these. And it comes with the glue already, but the glue doesn't really work with the nails, so I use my own glue. So I got these ones. And then the other ones I got, they're also from Kiss, but these are like, they're not see-through. They're like kind of type of your skin. There's another French. These are really short as well. And I got another one from Kiss. These look so real on your fingernails when you put them on. And they're real short. I really like real short nails. I really don't like long or medium. These are flexible. They look so real. I get lots of compliments when I put these on. They're like, oh my god, your nails are cute. But of course I'm not going to tell them, like, yeah, they're from Kiss and I glue them on. So they think I went to like a salon or something. But these are another ones. I really like these. And these are also from Kiss. These are colored. These are real short as well. This is right here. And the red. I really like these. And the other one's another French from Kiss. I got these at Dollar General. So these, all of these Kiss nails, I got them at Walmart and CVS. This is brand new. I have not used these, and I'm totally gonna do a nail tutorial on how to put these on. They're so easy. I just gotta go buy a glue, and I'm gonna show you the glue that I use in a minute. So these are on. These are pink. These are Kiss, real short as well. Really like these. These are another one from Kiss. These are beautiful color too. I really like these. They're like kind of like wine color. And then I got these also from Kiss. I honestly didn't like this because they're so big. They're oval, and I thought they were square because I really like the square ones. And they're huge on my, see, like these ones, and I put them on. Look at that. They're so huge, and it just feels uncomfortable. So I wasn't very like satisfied with these. I can use these like to do like nail tutorials with it, but not in my hand, not in my fingers. I didn't like these. So this is 0. The other one that I have are these Kiss as well. These are so cute because they're pink and they look like, and they feel so comfortable, and they're real short as well. I really like these. They look so good on you. And the other ones, I bought these Sally Hansen Salon Effects. I did not like these at all. This for me was a complete disaster. I tried them on. You peel them on, and then it has like a nail filer, and you file them. they suck, like real big time. I did not like these. The first time I put them on, I was doing all sorts of like washing dishes and doing all that. They came off. I was like, what? No, not good. I don't like those. And the other ones are these from Nelly Nail Studio. I don't remember where I got this, but they're French as well. And the other ones are from Kiss. These are gel fantasies. I like this ones. They're so nice. I got this at Walmart as well. And these are Fingers Flirt. I don't remember where I got this, but I had to get it because of the design. They had like the polka dots and they were so cute. And they're short as well. So I really like those. And these are just the glitters that I found, and I'm totally going to do a nail tutorial with these. And this is the glue that I use. It's the Kiss Maximum Speed. I got this at Walgreens. You can get this at Walgreens, CVS, Walmart, Target, whatever. So this one's that I use, and they will work really good. And to me, they say they last up to like 10 days, but to me it lasts for like 15 days. For like 15 days you can start seeing that they're starting to come off, so I just take them off and I use this glue. I just need to buy another one because it doesn't have any more. And I got these, the Perfect Tips, but I don't have any more. This is to make the French. So like this one's right here. I don't have any more, so this is really good. I got this at Walmart as well. And these are for like little containers to put like glitter. I use these containers to put glitter because they're just easier for me, like these type of glitters. I use those. And I got these at the Dollar Tree, and they come with 5 or 6 of them. And I got the Sally Hansen nail art that I have somewhere there, and I have only 2. I don't know where the rest of them is, but I got these at Walmart. And I got these Sally Hansen. This is like a nail kit that you can carry in your purse. It just has the necessary stuff, like when you need a nail clipper, you just, you know, take this out. I got this well at Walmart as well. Sally Hansen has good stuff. And this is a nail art. It's for make little dots, and it was with this one, so it came with that one. It's right here. And these are for your toes, so you're gonna do some pedicure in your toes. And I put everything, oops, I moved you guys. Put everything in this little container here. And this is where I put all my nail stuff, so I don't get all like confused. So I put everything in here. I don't want to throw them away because I want to like use them, because they come 28 nails, so you can reuse them whenever you want to. And if you guys want to see how to put these on, they're so simple to put on. Just put in the comments below if you guys want to see it, and I will totally do it. So that was all my nails right here. I got all these bunch of nails right here. So if you guys want to see a nail tutorial with these, because they're so beautiful, they're pink and I love it, they're so nice, and I would like to do a nail tutorial to show you guys how to put them on. They're really short as well, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video of my nail collection that I use. I got these all at Walmart and CVS. They sell in Target too, but mostly all of this is from Walmart. So I really hope you guys like this video. Put a big thumbs up in this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.